Once again, good morning to all. So in this lecture series, we are going to see what is meant by a pointer, the very important concept in a C program. So see this first line, int a equal to 5, which means that in int is a data type, a is a variable, and equal to is an assignment operator, 5 is an the value. So the value 5, the meaning of this particular line is the value 5 is stored in a variable a. That's all, very simple one. So if you want to display the value 5, we can easily display with the help of the printf statement. If you want to access the memory location where it can be stored, so how to access that? So this is the question. So pointer gives the answer for this question. In a C, pointer is a variable. This is also a variable that stores memory address of another variable. That's a very important point. Instead of holding the direct value, it holds the memory address of another variable. The second important point is it holds address where the value is stored in a memory. Yeah, with the help of that example, we can easily understand this point. If you don't understand by now, there is no issue. The next important point is the two important operators that will be used in pointer operation. The first one is, we'll see, go to the next slide. Before see that two important operators, we will see with one simple example. See that right side, int a equal to 44. This declaration. The value is a contain the 44. The address of a contains the next line is int star b, which means that it is called as a pointer variable. So b contains the address of a. That's all, very simple logic. That's all. See that left hand side, int var equal to 10. As we know that the value 10 stored in the variable. The second important point, we have declared a pointer variable. Third line, the address of a variable var is stored in a pointer. That's all. So see that below line. So var contain the value 10. The address of var that is 0x7ff5ed984c is stored in a pointer variable. So p is a pointer that store address of a variable var. The data type of pointer p and variable var should match because an integer pointer can only hold the address of integer variable. Yeah, the next important thing, now we are going to see what are the two important operators. One is that is called as a dereferencing operators. Another name is value at operator. Second one is an address operator. What is meant by dereferencing an operator? It is used to declare pointer variable and access the value stored in the address. This is an important point. The next important point is it is used to return the address of variable or to access address of variable to a pointer. That's all. In our next slide, this is a very simple program. This is a very fundamental program. What is the use of pointer? So see that first line, it is a header file. Below that, inside the main function, we declared a two variable. One is named as a number. The value 50 is assigned to that variable. Second variable we declared here is a p, that is called as a pointer variable. The next line is the address of number is stored in a p. The next two are the printf statement. So first line we display the address of p variable. The second line we display the value stored in a p variable. Oh, see that output which is shown in the right side. The address of p variable is fff4, which means that where it can be stored, the address, memory location. The next output line is the value of p variable is 50. As we all know that the p contains the address. The address contains the value p. The address contains the value 50. So which shown in the output. So so here we declared again I'm telling you here we declared two variables. One is ordinary variable. Another one is a pointer variable. The pointer variable contain address of another variable. Here address of number variable. Okay, with the help of that printf statement, we display the address and the value which is stored in that address. That's all. This is an address operator. We already discussed about that. Yeah, this another program, very simple program. We first line, it is a header file. The next one is a main function. Inside the main function, we declared only one variable that is named as a num. The value 50 is assigned to the number variable. Then next line is very important, very simple one. We display the two things. One is the value. We all know that the percentage %d is used to display the value which is stored in the number variable, and how to display the address, yeah, that is called as a percentage %u. So which is used to display the memory location where the number variable is stored. That's all. See the output on the right hand side. The value of number is a 50. The address of number is a FFF4, triple F4. That's all. I hope that you understand this concept. So pointer variable, again I'm telling you, pointer variable contain address of another variable. Okay. So in case if you have any doubt, comment on the comment section. Thank you.